2 days ago, I warned you about beautiful and significant move on Dogecoin. After that, I told you to take long after pullback because of this massive rise in open interest. At this moment, as you can see, Dogecoin exactly retested our entry point following our plan. And at this moment, the most important question, what we could do the next. Before I tell you, push like and subscribe to this channel, because as you can see, we created a new channel that dedicated only for crypto. That's why, if that's what you're looking for, follow me right now. Once more, remind to you, main reason why we pay attention at this moment regarding Dogecoin, because we have this massive rise in open interest. Once more, you can see here open interest increased by 50%, and additionally altogether it is 143%. What does this mean for us? Once more, remind to you, it means that people open position on exchanges. Open interest show actually if someone took a position, long, short, doesn't matter. It calculates both together. If some people bet a lot of money on Dogecoin, because at this moment open interest altogether 744 million on Dogecoin, that means someone bet approximately 300 million worth of position. It's not a joke. It is a serious people, and because of that, often significant move happens. And you can see that nearly each time before, every significant move that had happened on Dogecoin, as you can see, also was for significant open interest rise. That's why we pay attention to it. At this moment, the most important question where we can take a trade. First, regarding where we can take a trade, as I mentioned in a previous analysis, which I recorded for you yesterday, as you can see regarding Dogecoin, I told you that I expect continuation of a rise, but good entry should be in the case of pullback to VWAP. Why I think so? Because as you can see, price at this moment did two big moves. At any moment, there could be some stop loss hunt, something like that. And if you take a trade right now in this very moment, with bigger chance, you will face stop loss hunt before actual move happens. That's why once more, where would be my entry point on Dogecoin and what do I plan to do? For me, the most important will be if price retest VWAP to take a trade, because at this moment, as I told you, if I take a trade at this moment, stop loss size would be too big. We need at least 10% stop loss. You can do it only if you believe that there would be 40-50% move. Only in that case, you can take a trade with such significant stop loss size. For me, honestly, more than 5%, it's too much on a crypto. That's the reason why at this moment I wait for retest of VWAP. At this moment, VWAP, as you can see, at 0.10. Remember that VWAP migrate and follow the price, and because of that, next key VWAP area would be around 0.10. What about targets? Once more, remind to you, first target, it would be, of course, uncapped VWAP of this whole entire structure. And second target, it would be around 0.15. It is VWAP and plus this swing high. Could there be a situation that, for example, Dogecoin would make a bigger move? Let's open on a bigger time frame. Once more, before I tell you, push like and subscribe and write a comment. Do you like when I analyze crypto? Maybe there's a coin that you would like me to analyze, or a video about some indicator, because this channel would be only about crypto. Globally, you just need to remember that globally on a bigger time frame, Dogecoin really dropped a lot. We have significant volume profile build down. I would say that the key resistance, it is this imbalance and this swing high. It is a key resistance of this whole entire upward cycle. That's why, if once more price started a move up, anything could happen. Like this, something like this could happen, something like this could happen. That's why until we see some clear structure break, for example, price break below, as you can see, take lower lows, only for me that would be a signal that finally trend is broken and we should become bearish. Without it, we need only to follow up structure. One more thing that I want to show to you before I tell you, once more remind you that you can get access to our beautiful open interest indicator we personally created on TradingView. What's the main beauty? Because we aggregate data from top two biggest exchanges, Binance, Bybit. Soon we are working on hyperliquid, and you will see where significant volume coming. How to get access to this indicator? Honestly, it's mega simple. Below this analysis, I would be get access to my indicator here. You open this indicator, And there would be special Telegram bot where you will get all the information regarding how to get it. One more important thing, at this moment also we have a significant rise in open interest on repo, and there could be a significant situation also soon, because you can see open interest started to increase 11%, and repo also after significant consolidation. If open interest continue rising, I would also look for potential trade. Write in a comment, should I record separate video where I explain what I would do on repo and where I would take a trade. At this moment, once more, push like, get indicator, and here video regarding my open interest strategy, how I combine it together with other indicators, you will get exactly here. Watch it, enjoy, and have a nice day.